I don't care if I am a motherfucker. I don't care if I am a know-it-all. I just care if I'm a fucking happy, wonderful man. Fuck you if you don't like me. I can return to my place with my sorrow. I can run away just to fall down. I can give my heart to no one angel, because I am all falling down. I don't care if I am the all falling down. I run away, but I don't forget my sins. I can return to that place that I belong. The lawyer stood for all that I am wanted, but I can't run away just to fall down. I'm a hillbilly. A hillbilly. A hillbilly. I will run away, they never ever catch me. I'm gonna be the best thing who I am. You even know that my heart is waiting for a chance to prove that I am someone more. I'm a hillbilly. A hillbilly. A hillbilly. I can't live without my mama's crying. I can't live without my sister's
Sister, you're so
down.
crazy.
I want to believe my daddy stands beside
your
me, but I know you still waiting for something more.
You always still waiting for me.
I'm a hillbilly. A hillbilly. A hillbilly. Now my fate is looking for somewhere better than the hell that I live. You know I am just a man wanting now.
Fuck you, Cherry. You're a
But I'm
motherfucker.
just so what I do and what I am. I'm a hillbilly. A hillbilly. A hillbilly.
Fuck y'all.
Now my fate is looking for somewhere